Hello, hello. What's up, my beautiful, magical community of inner child healers? So great to have you here today. I'm going to do a little clearing for us while I talk. This group has beautiful energy in it. There's so much magic here, there's so much passion here. There's also a lot of mental energy here. So I'm going to clear that for you today because as we do this work, as we show up to heal our inner child, right? Any mental energy that comes really just blocks us from seeing the truth. So when you jump on this live, in this moment, right now, I want you to plant your feet firmly on the ground. And if you show up while I'm here, say, hey, I see you watching. Plant your feet firmly on the ground and take some big, deep breaths here. And I just want you to imagine a beautiful, white, iridescent energy pouring down on you from the heavens, clearing out all mental energies, any thought patterns that might be coming up. Breathing here. Beautiful. So now that we've cleared some of that mental energy, I want to explain, because I know we've been talking a lot about inner child. Many of you have done the inner child workshop. If you haven't, let me know the link to get signed up. It's really, really powerful work. But as we do this work, right, things start to show up. Things about our inner child that our inner child has shoved down, has tried to conform and fit into this perfect little beautiful mold. And what ends up happening is our inner child forgets who they really are. Our inner child forgets their beauty, their passion, their innocence. And all of a sudden, all these perfect little beings are walking around, but the souls on the inside, they're screaming and crying out for help. So it's time now to start pulling out all of these things about ourselves that we've said are bad, that we've said are wrong, that we've said are shameful, right? Maybe it's our sexuality. Maybe it's our loud opinions. Maybe it's our healing gifts. Maybe we're just eccentric, weird little fucking humans, right? But we've caged ourselves in. And it gets really uncomfortable. Some of my clients have described it as itchy, wanting to crawl out of their own skin, anxious, right? Not being able to fully breathe and inhale. And it's because of all this gunk and all this shit that we've closed in all around us. And it gets really, really exhausting. So, what I ask for you guys to do is to feel brave enough. Feel brave enough to truly, truly feel what the fuck you're feeling, to truly, truly be who you are, right? And to live from that place. Starting on April 30th, I have this really beautiful experience that I've unleashed. It's an 8-week container to really dive into the shadows, right? The shadow self and the unhealed inner child. When we heal those, they're kind of one and the same, right? The unhealed inner child and the shadow, as they heal and awaken, they become the higher self. And I have this beautiful container where for 4 weeks we are going down and excavating all of the dark and twisty and all of the demons and all of the things we've said are so bad. And then the next 4 weeks, after we've cleared that, we begin to integrate beautiful crystal child energy and magic and passion and life. And this world becomes our playground as we step into our truth and the fullness of who we are. I'm really excited. I have a coupon code I'm going to put in the comments here. If you use coupon code 420, I was going to give this to you yesterday, but I totally forgot. But if you use coupon code 420 and you sign up for Shadow Play, you're going to get a really cool discount. And for this 8 weeks together, we're going to get to play and experience and excavate all of this shit and muck that we've put on us, all of this stuff that's kind of plastering our wild inside, and we're going to just fucking unleash it all. And it's so freeing, and you can breathe again. And you go from this wounded, unhealed, innocent, perfect child to standing in your power as a healed adult, standing in your authentic truth, knowing who the fuck you are, embracing all parts of yourself, opening up to all the dark and twisty and alchemizing it and integrating it into life. And I know there's fear. I know it can feel so scary to look at the truths, to really look at all the parts of yourself and face them head on. I know because I've done it. When I create these programs, I go right through it with you. But I'm telling you, if you can truly, truly be brave enough to journey inward and to clear this out and to find acceptance and love and beautiful energy for yourself, everything is going to shift. The world is calling us right now. I don't know if you can feel it, but the world's definitely rumbling under my feet. I have released relationships, beautiful, heartfelt connections, things I didn't necessarily even want to release, but my soul was saying, Nikayla, it's time. And I released them, and different parts of myself started coming out and being brave enough to wander this earth. And things started to change, and I kept doing the work, and the more I did the work, the more layers would shed and the more beauty would come in, right? But it's about trust and faith and being able to surrender to this process, even when you're trembling, even when you're shaking in your boots. It's breathing through it and owning that you can do this and that you deserve this and that life gets to be good and blissful and yummy and exciting for you. And that's why we do this work. So if you're new here, I encourage you. I have a bunch of videos here in this group on YouTube that really help you to sink into the inner child. And as we do so, and as we embrace these shadows, I highly encourage you to join me for Shadow Play starting April 30th. We're going to spend every Friday night together for 8 weeks. We have a week off in the middle where we integrate all of this stuff. I'll be at a yummy retreat in Sedona, Arizona. And then we come back and we integrate it all into light. We take all of this darkness and we transmute it into power and light and grace and abundance, and everything gets so juicy after that. So, if you're feeling brave, if you're feeling ready, if you can feel your wild man or woman just saying, hey, let me out, set me free, I'm ready for more, I'm ready for bliss, I'm ready for ease, then I ask you to join me and let's go into the dark and twisty together. So, thank you as always for being here. I'm going to be coming back into this group for card readings and meditations and all sorts of yummy stuff because I can really feel the energy you're creating here. And I'm so proud of you for it all. And any questions you have, leave under this video. Oh, hi guys, I see you. Hey, Keisha, what's up? Clem, you did so great this morning. Genevieve, hey. I'm so happy that you guys are here and being present with yourselves. So enjoy this time, enjoy this yummy energy, and I will see you soon. Love and light. As always, breathe deep and plan on miracles. Bye.